I love it so much. Okay, let's head to the DIY room. Oh my God, I almost threw myself into the chair.
Lauren, you gotta push harder.
Okay, let's head to the DIY room. Whoop, Matt, you good?
I'm good.
Cameraman Matt here today.
Yo, how you doing?
Hey, Matt.
Who are these guys?
Oh yeah, we got the Best Buy camera crew. Hey guys.
What's up? Still rolling.
Okay, let's get this DIY on the road. Okay, so we've got a little square canvas. We've got 2 color options for this paint pour DIY. We've got Photoshop here. We made a little inspo board just for some color options. We've got like some warm tones with some pink and yellow and some cool tones. We're just using paint and a little bit of dish soap. Crazy flipping cup and paint onto the canvas. We've got 2 color options. Some like yellow and pinks, blue and purple. And I definitely have these on the wrong side. Option A, like the cooler tones, and option B, the warmer tones. I don't know like what you're waiting for, but you get to choose what goes on here. So. Okay, so ready? 3, 2, 1, make your decision.